once again welcome back to Click Nicer and SattamPhotography.com. So today we will be showing you the video of time lapse of moving moon in the night sky. So presently I am in Delhi and it is 24th July 2020 and today is the Guru Purnima, full moon and the festive season of Guru Purnima. So awesome moon I am getting to see from here in Delhi and the cloud sky. So I am planning to have a complete time lapse video of motion of moving moon in the night sky. So come enjoy, let's have the awesome video coming right to you. So time lapse video I have practiced with mainly three types of adjustment or settings. First, complete time lapse with clicking with an intervalometer. So intervalometer is one of the devices that is connected to your camera in one of the points which is given for connection of the intervalometer, and you will be very helpful that you will get continuous intervals, means intervals of shooting time like 30 photos in a second or 60 photos in a second with the help of intervalometer. Connect the intervalometer with your camera and go for the settings of 30 photos, like 20 photos per second, and set for the camera for complete 1 hour. So the settings that you will be using is ISO. Start from 100, and presently I am in Delhi and it is very much cloudy here, so I have used up to 800. So tested with 800, which was fine for me. So ISO 800 and the shutter speed was 1/20. So from 1/20 I have started because the low light conditions, so it is low shutter will give you best light, and f-stop can be adjusted from 5.4. With the help of that setting, set with the intervalometer, keep for 1 hour and the camera will do its job. Now after getting around 500 pics, blend them in Lightroom. It is very important to get proper blending and set the speed. So continuous, the frames will be, means it will go in a video series and you will get the best moving moon with the clouds after proper blending. So it is the first step. Second is videography. Videography is very simple and it is the option of placing two cameras at same height, same distance, same focal length, everything same. One will be doing the videography job and the second one will be doing the time-lapse photo clicking, so that nothing should be missed. So you will be setting the videography camera at 920x1080 and the frame per second will be 25 and rest of the thing keep in auto. And video will start and it will keep on continuously capturing the shots of the moving moon. So set it for like 10 minutes, stop, pause without moving anything. Use a tripod and then keep on clicking the continuous video. So the camera will do its job, it will take the video, and the subsidiary side-by camera will do its time-lapse video at same setting of the previous one and it will capture the same frames. So set the two cameras at same duplicate feature and start the action. After setting the camera, edit the video in one of the softwares, any easily available software, and in the video cut the unwanted portions and set the speed 5 times. 5 times is the best speed to get the motion of clouds and the lovely beautiful moon night sky. So this is the second point. Third, complete videography. Simply set the camera at a particular speed and adjust the setting like ISO 800 and start the video. Set for 10 minutes, pause, 10 minutes, pause, and set on a complete tripod. So the action will be capturing the video and you have to edit the complete video with the speed of 5 times and you will get the complete clear, crystal clear motion of the moon. For camera I have used my 1300D and the lens is 55 to 250 beginners lens, which is the best. Not too much excessive zoom, not too much like wide angle lens, best zoom lens, up to, you can use at 250, use the lens, the clouds, the feature, everything will be clear. In the back I have used this Nikon B500 Coolpix. It is a bridge camera, so it is also giving me one of the best shots. So hello friends, welcome to the roof terrace of my house in Delhi, India. And as you can see, the full moon is shining bright with the clouds in its periphery. So it is, you can see the camera is on and the settings are blinking. So presently I am going to do a videography with 25 frames per second, and presently the cloud is partly okay. So I am using a shutter speed of, I am beginning with a shutter speed 1/20, and the ISO is, it is approximately more than, means almost 800, because the moon is shining bright but the clouds are, as you can see, it is little bit darker on the corners. So I'm using ISO at 800 and aperture f-stop is 5.4. So as you can see, the clouds are very sharp. So, and the moon, yes, you can see the zoom in version. So the clouds are shining bright. So I hope you will enjoy the video, and it is 12 minutes video I have already captured. So very interesting video is going to come soon. So I hope you like the video. So I'm trying hard to capture the time lapse of the moving moon in the night sky. So I hope you have really enjoyed this continuous moving moon in the night sky, full moon in the night sky, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. So signing off, Click Nicer, Satyam Chakravarti, and please do give a like, comment, subscribe, because your encouragement and your everything is necessary for growing up. So I hope you will keep on supporting me as you have done till now. So thank you so much. Bye.